Are you among those who always feel tired, even drop dead tired? Losing your energy level? Are you mildly depressed, increasing your lethargy level? Along with your weight? Every day you are trying to join gym, but your energy level pulling you down. Time has come to do something for that issues. Here I can tell you what to do with two very simple steps. Number one is maintain your BMI, body mass index, and number two is maintain your calorie intake and calorie burn ratio. How? First thing to do first, always remember you can't achieve your goal from your comfort zone. Do a 7 days of calorie burning challenge by start doing sun salutation and lose around 20 calories in one round. If you are done, you can win half of your battle. Before starting doing advanced sun salutation, I would like to request you to go through the description where I have given the link of how to do classic sun salutation for the beginners. So let's start. Now I am going to show you advanced sun salutation, and where I have added some my own experiment in it. Tadasana, being standing with your feet close to each other with some distance between the heels. Utkatasana, chair pose. Exhale, bend your knees and raise the arms straight overhead and lower your hips. Uttanasana, standing forward fold. As you exhale, fold forward from the hips and strengthen the knees, bringing the entire legs tight and reach for the floor and place the arms close to the feet. Chaturanga Dandasana, fold limb staff pose. Upward facing dog. Inhale, raise the chest forward and strengthen your arms, bringing the lower back in a back bend. Downward facing dog. Inhale, and as you exhale, lift your hips and roll over your toes. Down dog. In this advanced position, touch your left leg with your right hand. If possible, touch the heel. Look backward. Touch your right leg with your left hand. If possible, touch the heel and look backward. As you exhale, place the leg between your hands. Spin the left heel down. Check your heels are in alignment. And then reach the left hand in front of you. Inhale and come all the way up to stand. Reach the right hand in front of you. Reach your hip to the right. Reach your right hand to touch the floor. Roll the left shoulder back. Open your chest. Inhale here. Exhale, look down. Inhale, come up. Exhale, rebend the right knee. Engage your hip and touch your left hand to the left knee and raise your right hand towards the sky. Look upward. Come up in stand position. Again, bend your knee, flip your right hand, place your right hand on right knee and left hand toward the sky. Look forward. Your left leg and left hand should be in parallel position in a one straight line. Come up, downward dog. Take 1 to 2, breathe over here. Go to the plank position, Chaturanga Danda. Exhale up, upward dog. Downward dog. Now touch your right hand to the left leg and raise your left leg as much as possible. Vice versa, right leg with the left hand and lift your left leg as much as possible. Lift your left leg and place it in between your two hands. Reach the right hand in front of you. Inhale and come all the way up to stand. Touch your left hand to the floor if possible. Look towards the sky. Your right hand should be up. This is triangle pose. Stay over here 1 to 2 breathe. Come up all the way. Come all the way to downward dog.
Down dog.
And here,
From here,
take 1 to 2 breathe. Drop
Take
down
2 to
your
3
knees and rest
drop your
in
knees
Balasana.
and go for Balasana.
From here, jump into Bakasana
2,
and maintain your balance. This is extreme advanced pose of sun salutation modified by me. Go down, Bhujangasana, Balasana, downward
down
dog,
dog,
and come all the way in between your hand. Come up, bend forward, make your spine erect. Inhale,
direct, stretch,
up, and
come up all the way.
drop your hand your side.
So that was all about the sun salutation. After doing sun salutation, you have to calm down yourself because it needs lot of effort. So sit in Sukhasana, Padmasana, Siddhasana and take a deep breath. Roll your neck, roll your shoulder, roll your spine. Thank you so much for giving your valuable time. My name is Sammy, Jogi Sammy. And thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day. Lord Shiva bless you all. Thank you so much.